Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Neek Lynn, and on my channel I do braiding tutorials along with braiding hair reviews. So guys, in this video I am going to be doing butterfly locks. It was actually my first time doing these locks, so while this is not a detailed in-step tutorial, I did want to share my thoughts of doing butterfly locks along with some tips and tricks. Also, I just wanted to let you know that the entire video will be in real time. So at no point will I be speeding up any of the clips because I really want you to get a good idea of exactly how I did these butterfly locks in real time. One of the first questions that I'm often asked when doing these videos is how long did it take to do the style? So this style did take me 6 hours. However, one of the things to take into consideration is that anytime that I'm recording, it does take me longer to complete the style because I always have to worry about, the position of the camera and making sure that I'm getting good angles. So yes, that does add time to the duration of the style. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and jump into tip number one. Tip number one, especially to cut down on your time, is to prepare your hair. Especially if you are using two different types of hair for this style, having the hair prepared prior to starting the style can definitely save you at least an hour. So for this style, I actually use the Cuban twist hair to box braid her natural hair, and then I use the Lulutress hair, which is the water wave, in order to go ahead and then wrap the locks. So my second tip would be to use Marley hair or like the Cuban twist hair to braid your client's natural hair down first. I don't know what it is, but in the past when I've done these type of faux locks, even not butterfly locks obviously, because like I said, this was my first time, but even with faux locks, if I didn't use something to reinforce the client's natural hair, for some reason the braid itself would actually poke through the lock, and so the client didn't necessarily get like the longevity of the style that they would want. So now I often suggest, unless your client has an already naturally like kinky texture, I always suggest to braid a little bit, and it doesn't have to be much, but just braid a little bit of the Marley hair into their natural hair, and I think that you will notice a big difference in the longevity of the style. So let's just talk about this. And wow, just looking at this back, just doing this voiceover, guys, I mean, I'm shocked. They really, really look good. But one thing I kept hearing is, don't wrap too tight. Don't wrap too tight, And that was something that I struggled with because when you're doing faux locks and things like that, I mean, you definitely have to wrap it pretty good, And so doing these butterfly locks, I think I did struggle a little bit with the tension control because for one, you want to make sure that it stays. And then for two, like I said, I couldn't figure out how to lighten my wrap. So I think that they're probably on the neater end for butterfly locks. And I think that if you do wrap a little bit looser, you can really get that nice, like fluffy looking butterfly lock. But that is something that I'm still working on. So for my tip number 3, I would say to wrap loose, wrap loosely. So what are your thoughts on butterfly locks? Like, they've been seeming like they've been pretty popular since like right around the end of the summer. And it doesn't seem like they're really going anywhere. I mean, a lot of people, especially in my area, are starting to ask for them. So, you know, have you tried them yet? Are you apprehensive to try them? You know, I was definitely apprehensive to try them. Like, when they came out, I just knew someone was going to ask me. And at first I was like, no, I'm not really going to try them. But I'm like, you know, how will I really know if I can do it or not if I don't at least give it a try? So for a few weeks, I was like practicing on a mannequin and it just was not doing it, guys. Like, I don't know what I was doing wrong. And then when I actually, you know, did it on my client, I definitely saw a much better result in doing it on an actual head than just on a mannequin head. But yeah, like, let me know in the comments, like, are you guys feeling this? Are you doing it? Are you not doing it? Is this something, you know, that you're considering offering as part of your services? I definitely am going to do a more detailed tutorial. Like I said, this was my first time, so I didn't want to exactly like say, oh, do it exactly like this or do it exactly like that. I just wanted to offer just a few tips to anyone who is maybe just still on the fence, trying to decide whether or not they are going to offer these. So, you know, I haven't got my full rhythm just yet. And again, this is in real time, so you really can see, you know, where I'm at with it. Like I said, there's nothing sped up or anything like that, because I just want this video to be super transparent and just let you guys see how I had to work through this process. So, you know, let me know. Let me know if this is something that you are going to add to your list of services. So I will be doing a full tutorial. I'm not exactly sure when, but it will be probably within the next few weeks. I'll have a full step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do these. But in the meantime, guys, I just wanted to let you, you know, check this out. And I hope that it provided you something, at least enough to be able to just try it and to just give it, you know, just give it a whirl and see how you like doing it. You may find your own way of doing it. You may find something that works different for you. You may hold your hand differently, you know, because that was another thing. Like, the hand placement of these was a little bit different than what I would normally do, like with faux locks. So that was a little bit of an adjustment as well, is to, you know, changing the hand position. That can always be, you know, a little different. So like I said, you know, go ahead and give it a try. I do hope that you enjoy this video. And yeah, there's still quite a few minutes left of it. So I'll just let you guys just vibe out and enjoy the rest of the video. Please be sure to leave any questions down in the comments section. And as always, guys, don't forget to, you know, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you are into super detailed tutorials, you can check out some of my other videos, in which I can leave in the description box below. And yeah, God bless, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to